Ba't pa tinawag na Kidlat Awards to?
Dahil mainit siya at all of the entries striking.
Halatang niloloko mo.
Katatapos lang ngayon ng judging, part ako ng jury sa print. So, ati sa tatlo.
Yung A, yung film, yung B kami ata sa print. Yung C, yung sa digital.
Again, we'll see the best of whatever has been done for the last year. And we'll hopefully find some stuff that we'll be very proud of.
May mga bago bang ginawa ang mga Pilipino na naman, no? Parang luma na naman yung nakikita natin dito.
Maraming maganda din.
Daming maganda, daming maganda.
Wala akong kinikiling ang ehensya.
Talagang kinalimutan mo ng mga kaibigan mo, no?
Sa style ng Kidlat, 60% of the judges kailangan magtaas ng kamay para umangat yung level ng work from finalist to bronze to silver to gold.
So hindi parang Survivor to na blind voting. Talagang nakikita ng tataas ka ng kamay. Parang election pala ng elementary kung sino ang ano.
Sinong president.
Napakatalino ng Kidlat Awards. Tsaka matipid pa sa papel. Yung mga foreign-speaking people, okay ba silang kausap?
Yes, sir.
Gusto mo ahitan ko yung isa?
I've seen actually 2 pieces of work I think are really good. Really good.
So,
and then a good majority of work I haven't seen before, which I think's, really solid.
So
Yeah,
you're
it's
trying
good.
to say there's a lot of deserving losers?
Yeah, that's a good way to put it actually, yeah.
It was a good day with a nice bunch of people, and we saw good amount of work. Very good in integrated, very good in see what else was good.
It was a good size of
Talagang naghahanap ka ng magandang salita na parang wag silang masaktan, Peter.
Usually first day, puro siya shortlist, no? Hindi ka dapat maging yung sobrang stringent.
kung pangit, kung maganda.
Tarush!
Okay, so tingnan mo lang, parang itong work na to, hindi naman siya ganun ka ganda talaga. Pero gusto ko siya makita ulit bukas para i-discuss namin.
I think we're going to have some interesting work to look at. I think there's going to be some good things to inspire people for next year.
But more of the bad things.
Oh, well, it's only our job to find the good things.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're a kind man.
Nainggit lang ako eh.
Nainggit ka.
Oo, kasi
Yung galing mong yan, naiinggit ka pa ba?
ang dami kasi mga galing ngayon eh.
Talaga. Ilang percent ang pangit at ilang percent ang maganda?
We're not allowed to. Pero
Ano ba yung digital na division? Sige,
Yung mga banner ads, yung mga
banner ads sa digital.
mga activation, yung mga makita mo sa YouTube, stuff like that.
Paano masasabi natin digital is the future?
Parang doon na pumunta, parang nandun yung trend eh.
Trend to na parang mga espadrilles, mga ganyan. Jordas pants.
Bumabalik na espadrille eh.
Talaga?
The past year was a very good year for us. Like imagine we got almost 17. I think we got a lot of spikes.
Okay.
We won a lot of media spikes. It's a good indicator that we're really leading in Asia. And I think we've surpassed Thailand and Malaysia already.
Oh, ang spikes po ay international award-giving body yon. Hindi yun sa volleyball at sapatos sa soccer.
Hirap mag-adlib, no?
Oo. So sa tingin mo mga creative na Pilipino ay hindi naman nahuhuli world class?
hindi naman talaga.
Talaga? O talagang nagbubuhat lang tayo ng bangko?
I think Philippine advertising can hold its head pretty high. It's a good standard of work. I think there's some way to go before it reaches absolutely ace international standards. But there's work to be done, but there's stuff to be proud of as well.
Yan, narinig nyo ang mga nagsalita, mga hurado, mga judges, at mga kusino, at mga AK sa Kidlat Awards. Sana ay naging makabuluhan sa inyo ang Kidlat Awards na ito. Ako si Joel Fabonan, ang may-ari ng Fluid Post. At nandito kaming lahat para pasalamatan kayong lahat para sa pakikinig sa akin. Okay. I was very nervous talking to Mr. Tony Harris. He found me very attractive, I think. He's still here.
Are you doing anything later?
Goodbye, camera.